Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we are back with our M9 Edge. Okay, after our comparison with other smartwatches. So this time we are going to check on the support app of this wearable. Okay, so we are going to pair it. We are going to install the app for the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the installation, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so our smartwatch here is in full battery mode, as you can see here. Okay, so we have here the QR code for the app. Okay, here in the packaging there's some mistake, I think. It says that it is using the Fit Pro application. But based on our experience, okay, we already stated it before, this is not a Fit Pro application as stated here, as shown here on the icon. Okay, to verify, let's check the user manual for the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, okay, the support app, as you can see here. So it is a HiWatch Pro App available in Android and iOS. So it is not a Fit Pro app. So it seems like there's some issues right away. Okay, we'll see later on if really is the HiWatch app and not the Fit Pro app. Another issue, okay, confusing part of thing about the smartwatch is the model of the smartwatch. It says it is M9 Edge smartwatch, but as you can see here in the about page, it is the T800 Pro Max. Seems like this is not yet available in the market. We'll see. Okay, I check it on a social media site. Seems like it is not yet available. I'm not sure. See, this model is T800 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, but on the box it is M9 Edge, and of course other product review states that it's M9 Edge. Okay, but anyway, so let's start. Let's pair it. We will see. Again, the support app for this one is the HiWatch Pro app. See, so we already have it here, our smartwatch, our smartphone. Okay, so let's check. We have it here, HiWatch Pro. No. Okay, so let's install the application. HiWatch Pro. So as you can see here, the same icon. Okay, let's install. Hopefully we will have a successful installation of the app and pairing, of course. So let's wait. So 37.42 MB, and we are on the 21.9% now, 51. So this will be fast. Okay, so we're almost. So let's see. It's now installing. Again, the support app for the M9 Edge Pro or M9 Edge smartwatch Okay, also known as the T800 Pro Max, is the HiWatch Pro application. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the installation as you can see here. So let's tap open. Okay, it's the HiWatch Pro app. So let's see. It's now loading. Okay, so we have here the UI dashboard of the application. So we have our first permission. Allow HiWatch Pro to access this device location. Allow it. Then sit. Nothing else. So let's see. Okay, tap on the set. Okay, Bluetooth pairing. So for this is for the enter the mobile phone system settings. Open the Bluetooth search well audio. Got it. Okay, so it's activated our Bluetooth here as you can see. Later on, if the well audio is not activated, we're going to pair it with our smartwatch. Just tap on set. Okay, bind devices to experience more features. Okay, let's tap on it. Okay, as you can see here, the name is not M9 Edge but T800 Pro Max. So let's see. Okay, is it really the 800 Pro Max? Okay, so let's go to our about page of the smartwatch. So B4, B2, 45, then as you can see here 14. Okay, seems like this is it, the T800 Pro Max. Okay, again it's a rebranding, that's why. Completed. Seems like we are successfully connected or paired with a smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. So again, tap to pair, T800 Pro Max pair. Okay, pair with the T800 Pro Max. Okay, so we have it here. We already paired. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we are connected. So let's activate the message notifications. Okay, SMS. Okay, set successfully about the app. So here you need the permission to activate the notification or message push notifications for application. Notification with permission, open. Notification access, just look for the HiWatch Pro, activate it. Allow access for HiWatch, allow, and that's it. Okay, so you can now activate some of the application here. Okay, see. Okay, so that's it. Okay, it has been confirmed. It is just a rebranded T800 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, as stated here in our support app. Okay, so if you buy an M9 Edge or a T800 Pro Max, it is just the same smartwatch. Okay, so let's see if we do have an upgrade here. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions regarding the installation of the HiWatch Pro app to our T800 Pro Max or the M9 Edge smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.